Y'all, I did something really bad, y'all. Shaking my head. Y'all, I ran from the cops. And I wrecked my brother's car. Look at it. Y'all don't want to see it. It's bad as you got older. There you go. Oh, this camera. Oh, okay. Just turn back to the light. It's bad, y'all. He got a 2016 Chrysler 300S. Let me show y'all the badge. Wow. But I did something real bad. Trying to pull them back to wash my car. At this point, I don't need a car at this point. My brother's pissed off. He ain't talked to me in about a couple weeks. Y'all, I wrecked his car. It's bad. Oh my God, I need some more of this tire shine. Let me turn this ISO down, cause y'all, when it gets dark on there, I can barely see myself. There you go. Y'all heard my brother's car. I ain't gonna let y'all see it. You ain't gonna see it yet. My dumb self was running from the cops in his car thinking I can get away. And I ended up crashing it, y'all. I wrecked it. It looks total, but I think it's fixable. Y'all comment below and let me know. Put in the comment section how y'all think this gonna go, what's gonna happen, cause I'm scared. I ran from the cops. And then went to jail because I got caught, of course, because I wrecked it. So it's bad, y'all. It's so bad. Y'all probably didn't want to see this. Y'all look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Boom, it's wrecked, y'all. And wait till y'all see the other side. You got the headlight gone out of there. You got the quarter pounder out of there. Splash shield out of there. Liner, whatever you call it. At least the hood, okay. At least the, backside, okay. I ain't gonna show y'all that. Y'all can't see it yet. Inside, still looking good. Ooh, door barely can open. Look at that. You got the tire right there. You got it growing. Oh my God. Y'all, wrecked it so nice in here. And I wrecked it. Guys. I wrecked it. So bad up in here. Y'all tell me what to do, cause I'm scared. I hit what did I hit? I hit the bridge real bad on the highway. I ran from the cops and I ended up crashing the car and I went to jail for a week, got out. So y'all, look at it. This is what happened. The tire is out of there. That mug gone. Look. Tie rod. The tie rod is okay. The control arm out of there. The control arm is under the tire. I ain't got my jack stand with me, so I can't really jack the car up. But you can kind of see right here. It's connected to the tire still. You know what I'm saying? Rims out of there. Bumper out of there, gone. The brake line snapped out of there. Control arm, tie rod. At least the frame is good. He's just going to replace this. Going to replace that. Brake line. And then he's going to need alignment real bad. Yo, it's really, really bad. Like, oh my God. I shouldn't be driving no more. This is real bad. This is a nice car, y'all. It's a nice car. A 2016 Chrysler 300S. I'll take this car any day. It's just so nice, a little chill, laid back car, you know what I'm saying? He got that 5%. You can't even see through it. You can see through the front because it's a little light, but this back window, you really can't. I'll get close and you still can't see nothing but my reflection. That's how dark it is. And of course the back is dark. I think it's still crank up. Let me show y'all the hood, but y'all all wrecked it so bad. Running from the cops. And this is what happens when you run from the cops. You wreck out and you crash your brother's car. And that's exactly what I did. Let me pop the hood for y'all. Inside still look clean though. Thank God, it didn't get any worse because I really could have killed myself with somebody else. But, thank God I didn't kill myself or anybody else, because then I would have really went to jail for real. I would have damn near probably went to prison. I can't lift this up. There you go. 2 hands. Oops. See, motor's still intact. When See, look, this come off. This come off. That 5.7. 5.7. You know, it's just collecting dust, y'all. I did this a couple of weeks ago. I didn't want to put it on YouTube because y'all can be on my ass. But it's wrecked really bad. I mean, thank God my auntie, she helped tow it home or whatever. She paid like, dang near started crying. She paid like a couple $100s to get it towed home or whatever. I got AT&T. You know what I'm saying? You could. Well, if you got AT&T, for y'all don't know, if you got AT&T, you could pay like $3 a month to get unlimited. I think it's unlimited tows. There might be a few tows a month, but they don't do red cars. So she ended up having to pay out of her pocket like $400 something because the car was wrecked. And AT&T, they don't do red cars. If you got that little tow thing with AT&T, I do, but you know what I'm saying? It's really handy, but y'all, I fucked up and the car's wrecked really bad. I have to wash my car. I'm trying to drop more bangers for you guys. I see you guys like the video. It's big old camera. I can barely hold it. I see you guys like. Y'all are commenting. I'm really seeing a lot of comments on the video of my friend and my dad's Hellcat. Yeah, I really like that. But y'all, I messed up really bad. Like, my brother is pissed. I'll be pissed too if my sibling wrecked my car. Yeah, I know I got a 2019 Civic S. I'm gonna wash this right now. I wrecked it. It's so bad, like. It's bad. Like, y'all need to tell me, like, comment in the comment section what I need to do. I need to total it. Does he need to total it out or what? Trying to, let's see, get a thumbnail real quick. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, y'all. Let me prop it up. Dang, she just got up in that garage and sure did close it real fast. You know, we in the hood. Oops. I need to prop it down. Hold on, how y'all do it? Ah. Alright, we good. I mean, Nick, he just need a headlight, control arm, brake line, brake cable, probably new tie rod. I think the tie rod be fine. It ain't, you know, I ain't got my jack, but he need new rim, you know, new tie, and definitely a new alignment because it's gonna be all types of alignment. Yeah, quarter panel paint. It's gonna be expensive, but it's possible. You know what I'm saying? You got the light out of there. At least under the motor is fine. It could be worse, y'all. It could have been worse, but you know, thank God it ain't. Y'all. Y'all need to give me more video ideas because I be lost. I don't be knowing what to do anymore. Y'all, if anybody in the DFW area, let me know if y'all want to race my 2019 Civic Si. That's what I got right here. Let me know if y'all want to race. I'm slow. This car ain't that fast. I mean, it's just quick, you know. You know what I'm saying? I got more videos. I got more video ideas in my head or in my notes that I want to do. So I'm gonna try to get to those in ASAP. Try to stay motivated. I'm Bree. Y'all keep a smile on your face. And I picked up my brother's car. So I'm trying to get in the light because there you go. I picked up my brother's car. So y'all. Pray for me. Pray to Jesus. Y'all subscribe so I can eat. I'm Bree. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all y'all support. I love all the feedback on the videos. You know what I'm saying? Really appreciate it. And I'm out.